The WOW signal, a 72-second whisper from the cosmos. In August 1977, on a sweltering summer night in Ohio, USA, the Big Ear Radio Telescope, a gigantic structure resembling a pair of ears pointed toward the heavens, was steadily collecting faint radio waves from the infinite expanse of space. Humanity had just stepped beyond the Apollo era, minds filled with questions. Are we alone in the universe? Is someone out there trying to send greetings to Earth? Amid the endless mountains of radio data, mostly random cosmic noise, something strange happened. An unusual moment. On August 15, 1977, volunteer astronomer Jerry R. Ehman was scanning through printed data from Big Ear. He was used to seeing dry sequences of numbers, 1, 2, occasionally 3, values representing faint signals from space. But his eyes froze when they landed on a sequence unlike anything before. 6EQJ5. According to Big Ear's encoding, the higher the number or letter, the stronger the signal. E was rare, you almost unheard of. Yet here, the sequence EQJ showed the signal rising, peaking, then fading. A perfect curve straight out of a textbook. Startled, Ehman circled the sequence and scribbled the now famous word beside it. Wow. Where did the signal come from? The data indicated the signal originated from the direction of the constellation Sagittarius, near the globular cluster M55. It lasted exactly 72 seconds, the maximum time Big Ear could listen to a fixed source before Earth's rotation moved the antenna out of alignment. Remarkably, the signal's frequency was 1,420.4556 MHz, close to the 1,420 MHz frequency emitted by neutral hydrogen atoms, the most abundant element in the universe, when their electrons change energy states. Many SETI search for extraterrestrial intelligence. Scientists consider this a special frequency. If an advanced civilization wanted to send a message, they might choose it because of its universality. Not from Earth? The first theory proposed was interference from Earth. But Big Ear had twin feed horns ears that scanned the sky a few minutes apart. A signal from Earth or a satellite would normally appear in both horns or repeat when scanning the same sky area. Yet the WOW signal appeared only once, in one horn and never again. No satellites, aircraft, or terrestrial transmitters were recorded in the area at that time. Every lead ended at the number 72 seconds. Searching for WOW. Again, after the discovery, the team repeatedly aimed Big Ear and other telescopes at that part of the sky. In 1987 and 1989, they tried again, only to be met with complete silence. In the 1990s, Harvard's Meta Project also listened, but still found nothing. The signal singularity only deepened its mystery, like a phone ringing once, and when you pick up, the other end is gone. Scientific hypotheses. Over nearly half a century, scientists have proposed several explanations, from a probe or satellite, but none were operating in that location at the time. Reflected Earth signals off space debris? Unlikely, given the perfect shape and frequency of the signal. Emission from a comet. In 2017, a study suggested Comet 266P/Christensen as a source, since hydrogen in a comet's tail can emit near 1,420 MHz. However, many SETI scientists argued the WOW signal was far too strong for a comet, an intelligent extraterrestrial source, the most intriguing to the public, but lacking supporting evidence. Why 72 seconds? Interestingly, the 72-second limit wasn't set by the source, but by Earth's rotation. Big Ear didn't track targets. It listened as the sky drifted past. Even if a distant source was transmitting continuously, Big Ear could only detect for up to 72 seconds before it slipped out of range. This means the WOW signal could have been broadcasting for hours, years, or centuries, but we only caught a fleeting moment when Earth's rotation happened to line up perfectly. Scientific significance. In science, an event observed only once and never repeated is hard to confirm. Yet WOW remains one of the strongest candidates for an extraterrestrial signal because its intensity was unusually strong. Its frequency fell within the water hole, a band SETI scientists consider ideal for interstellar communication. It didn't match any known source of interference. It's like being in a vast desert and hearing a single knock on a door, and then nothing ever again. Legacy and public fascination. The story of the WOW signal has gone far beyond the realm of science. It has appeared in books, documentaries, podcasts, and debates about alien civilizations. Generations of astronomy enthusiasts have been captivated by the thought. Perhaps, somewhere, someone sent a greeting we accidentally overheard, but couldn't answer. Jerry Emmon, the man who wrote WOW, remained cautious. He said, "I can't say it was from aliens, but I can't say it wasn't." The lingering 72-second gap. Today, SETI projects use larger, more sensitive telescopes, scanning the sky continuously. Yet no signal like WOW has been detected again. That makes it one of science's sweetest mysteries. Just enough data to intrigue, but not enough to solve. Perhaps, somewhere thousands of light years away, the signal still echoes. We merely caught 72 seconds out of countless hours of its broadcast, like a flashlight beam sweeping across the night, briefly illuminating us before vanishing into the void.